Students, tell me one thing. Can a word be used as noun and as verb? And the answer is yes. A word can be used both as noun and verb. And today's class is about these words which are used both as noun and verb. So students, welcome to my channel Eduline Education. Students, watch my video till end and like, share, subscribe my channel. Students, as we all know, noun is the naming word and the names of things, place, feelings, the name of any action, etc. But the verb is a doing word, and a verb tells us about any action. So the noun and verb are different from each other. Then the question is that how a word can be used both as noun and verb. Students, in English grammar, there are some words which can used both as verb and noun. According to their pronunciation, they are grouped into two groups. In first group, so students, some words, whether they are be used as noun and as verb, the pronunciation remains same. For example, if I will take the example of the word answer, and let me give you the example of a sentence that can you give me the answer now. In this sentence, the word answer is used as a noun. Can you give me the answer now? But let's see the second sentence, that is I want to answer that question. And in this sentence, the word answer is used as a verb. But if you read carefully these two sentences and compare these two sentences, can you give me the answer now? I want to answer that question. The pronunciation remains same. As noun and as a verb, the pronunciation remains same. And this type of words belongs to group 1. Then come to the words which are belongs to group 2 and which change their pronunciation when they are used differently as noun and as a verb. So students, here is the example of the word record. When we use this word as a noun and the sentence is he needs to provide his medical record, and as a verb the sentence will be I will record his meeting. And students, keep in your mind that when a word is used as noun, the stress is on the first syllable. And the same word when is used as verb, the stress is on the second syllable. So it is pronounced as he needs to provide his medical record, and I will record his meeting. Then come to the next word, that is attack. And when we use this word attack as noun, this is his father had heart attack yesterday. And the next sentence is he attacked his elder brother. And here attack is used as a verb. And also the stress is on the second syllable attack. He attacked his elder brother. And here The stress is on first syllable. His father had attack. Here the stress is on the first syllable. So students, I will give you a list of some words which are used as noun and as a verb. So let's see the list. So students, see the list of some words which are used as noun and as verb, and these are act, address, aim, answer, back, bank, beer, catch, charge, doubt, dust, echo, and face, finish, full, gas, hand, head, insult, joke, love, march, number, treat, value, visit, and work. These are some examples of some words which are used as noun and as verb. So students, like such type of videos, keep watching my channel and like, share and subscribe. Thank you.